Welcome to the Grizzly Bear Suite, one of the most spacious and family-friendly accommodations at Great Wolf Lodge. This one in particular is at the LaGrange, Georgia location. Right as you walk in, you're greeted by a comfortable living space designed for relaxing after a long day at the water park. There's a full-size sleeper sofa, perfect for extra guests, along with a large TV and plenty of room for everybody to gather. This little wet bar area is located right off the living room space. This second sink and vanity area is just off the living room space right when you walk in, and it's got some great storage space. I really think Great Wolf Lodge plans on people using the sink and vanity area to get ready while someone else is in the shower, so you can split up the families and everybody can get ready at the same time. The living room area really is spacious. I like that they have a desk that's underneath the TV. Everyone can just come crash here and enjoy a night together after a day at the water park. This was our third or fourth stay at the LaGrange, Georgia location of Great Wolf Lodge, and I have to say all of the rooms have this heavy outdoor theming, and you can see kind of the logos of Great Wolf Lodge's other locations throughout the room. As much as we've enjoyed exploring the city of LaGrange, Georgia, the view outside this Grizzly Suite was nothing special, and just of the parking lot, they may have some Grizzly Suites that overlook the outdoor pool, but you'd have to call and ask. Now let's get to the bedroom spaces. This suite features 2 private bedrooms, making it ideal for larger families or groups. The master bedroom includes a king-size bed, its own TV, and easy access to a full bathroom, giving parents or couples the quiet space to unwind while the kids are in another room. This bathroom right off the master has a full shower, but the other room has a shower tub combo, so you've got both options here in the suite. The second bedroom is perfect for kids or additional guests. It features 2 queen beds and another TV, so everyone has their own space to relax. We're not fighting about what's on TV, you know if you know. And the 2 full bathrooms getting ready for the morning makes it quick and easy. Depending on your room, you may enjoy a private balcony or patio, but I think that depends on the Great Wolf Lodge location that you pick. According to their website, it can sleep up to 8 guests. Let me know if you have any questions about the Grizzly Suite below in the comments, particularly about the LaGrange, Georgia location. You can find all of my content at SavvyMamaLifestyle.com, and thanks for watching.